The second one was okay, but then the last one.
Third one, you got stuck?
Yeah.
Okay, so let me copy that. No. So at anode, we will have zinc getting converted to zinc 2 plus 2 electron. At cathode, we will be having copper 2 plus 2 electron getting converted to copper. Then we can add these two reactions, eliminate the electrons, and we will get zinc plus copper 2 plus. It's going to give me zinc 2 plus copper. Okay. So this is the half reactions for each cell. This is the complete cell reaction. Now we have to calculate the cell potential at 25 degrees Celsius. Now, whenever we have to calculate the cell potential at 25 degrees Celsius, not at 25 degrees Celsius, but at any temperature, what we need? We need the Nernst equation. So we'll write Nernst equation according to Nernst equation. सारा आपने ये सवाल किया था, ट्राई किया था सारा आपने?
Sir, I did the first two steps and then I got stuck in the third part.
Okay, in the third part. So we're discussing the third part now. Okay. So first two parts are fine, anode and cathode, and then the cell reaction.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, according to the Nernst equation, now you will tell me what is the Nernst equation. The Nernst equation is, tell me, E cell is equal to. Tell me, E cell is equal to.
E naught cell minus RT by NF.
Okay, E naught cell minus
RT by.
Remember, now we have also written one more equation for 25 degrees Celsius, है ना? There is one more equation, a shorter equation, a simpler equation for 25 degrees Celsius. What is that? नहीं लिखा था क्या? लिखा तो था. See, at 25 degrees Celsius, है ना? That means 298 Kelvin, and then we have input all of the constants. And what is the equation we got? E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 0.059 log. Okay, so right, E naught cell minus 0.059. Sorry. Divided by n log of the products. What is the product? Zinc 2 plus concentration, copper's concentration. Then what we have divided by the reactant, that is zinc concentration and the concentration of copper 2 plus. Okay. Can you write the Nernst equation like this? Yes or no? Please tell me now.
I did this much only.
You did this much only. What about others? Sara and Wafia?
Yes, sir. Only the equation.
Okay, you have done the equation. But okay. Sara, what about you?
Yes, sir. I have done this much.
Okay, you haven't done. Fine. Now what we need the concentration. See, these are the concentration. These are the concentration of zinc ion, zinc 2 plus ion. Then this is the concentration of copper metal. Okay. So in cases, what you will see, you will either see concentrations like this, or you will see concentration of a metal, you will see concentration of iron, you will see concentration of metal, or else what you can see pressure of gas. If there is a gas, then what you have to put? You have to put the pressure. So now you understand what are the three things that you will get in the log. What are the three things? You will either get a ion. For that you will write the concentration. Then you will get a metal. For that you will write the concentration. And for the gas you will also write the. For gas you will write the pressure. Is that clear? Yes or no? Please tell me. Clear hai? You can identify things, na? If for example H2 is present, then what is H2 is present? Then this is gas. And what we will write? We will write the pressure. We will look in the question where the pressure is given, and then we will write the pressure. Clear hai? Tell me yes or no. Sorry, what happened?
So only for gas you have to take the pressure, and rest everything you have to take concentration.
Concentration, correct. Concentration. Okay, and concentration is what? It is in molarity. Concentration in what? Molarity. Whenever you have anything in square brackets, that means they are asking you the concentration in molar terms. Okay, moles per liter. Fine. Now let us see what are the concentration. Don't write anything now. Please keep listening. Here I will tell you one thing. Concentrations of pure metal, concentration of pure metal and pure liquids is equal to 1. कुछ याद आ रहा है? This is something that we have done in our 11th standard also. Yes or no? Please tell me. Yes. Sarah would remember. Sarah, कुछ याद आ रहा है आपको? Concentration of pure metal and pure
Sorry, sir, I
liquids.
just got disconnected.
So you got disconnected. Okay. I'm saying the concentration of pure metal and pure liquid is equal to 1. Do you remember something we did like this in 11th standard
Yes,
also?
sir.
Right? Fatima and Wafia, आपको कुछ 11th class का याद आ रहा है? नहीं याद आ रहा है? नहीं याद आ रहा है तो बताइए ना, नहीं याद आ रहा है. Fatima and Wafia. If you don't remember, then let me know. Do you remember something like this you have learned in 11th standard? Yes or no? Tell me. Yes, Wafia. Have you learned something like this in 11th standard?
No, sir. I don't remember.
No, you don't remember. Okay, what about Fatima? Fatima, do you remember?
I don't remember.
You don't remember. ठीक है. Now I will tell you what is the reason. है ना? याद नहीं तो फिर I will tell you what the reason. Reason तो सारा को भी नहीं पता होगा. Right reason? Right. Sorry. Right, Sarah. I think you will also not remember the reason.
Sir.
Reason याद है? इसका why is the
नहीं.
concentration of नहीं याद है ना? But still you are convinced कि कुछ तो था ऐसा, समझा दिया था सर ने, अब हम भूल चुके हैं. Correct? Yes or no? Now listen, all of you. Let us say this is a metal. Now in this metal, whatever you are having, okay, in this metal, it is completely composed of what? It is, let us say this is copper. It is completely composed of what? Copper. Cu. And each and every part of this particular volume is composed of copper. Each and every part is composed of copper. That means the total moles whatever you are having divided by volume, it is the same thing. It is copper upon copper. Yes or no? Please tell me. You're understanding this point?
Yeah.
Whenever we think about molarity, what do we have? We have water, then we have solute. Okay, if only we have water, that means what? You're talking about water upon water, yeah? We are talking about the moles of water upon the volume of water. We don't have anything else, correct? That is why whenever you have pure metal or pure liquid, then the concentration is taken as 1. Then the concentration is taken as 1. Is that clear? Yes or no now? Tell me.
Yes.
Since we have pure, right? If it is pure, Wafia, what about you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now what we will do? We'll tell that E naught cell minus 0.059. Acha. Now for this reaction, what is the value of N? Tell me. How many electrons are used in this reaction? Tell me. N, what is the value of N? Number of electrons? बताइए. अरे क्या हो गया? How many electrons?
4 electrons.
अरे नहीं रे, not 4 electrons. देखिए जिंक का ही जो 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन है ना, जिंक is giving 2 electron and that 2 electron is going to copper only, right?
Yeah.
Yes or no? तो कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन यूज हो रहे हैं?
2
2.
electrons.
2 electrons.
Got it? ठीक है. Okay. 0.059 divided by 2. Now into log, and then the concentration of zinc plus is how much? Tell me in the question. What is the concentration of zinc 2 plus? What is the concentration of zinc 2 plus?
2 more.
2 more.
Very good. 2 molar. Into what will be the concentration of copper? 1. What will be the concentration of copper? Pure metal का क्या होगा concentration? Tell me.
1.
1.
1. Okay. Unity. है ना? 1. So you don't need to multiply this. Divide by whose concentration we consider here in the denominator? Zn का या copper का? Whose concentration we will consider for zinc or copper? Tell me.
Copper.
Zinc कौन बोला भाई? Who said zinc? Whose concentration? Iron का ना? We will have to consider the concentration of only iron, that is copper. And what is the concentration of copper? Tell me. What is the concentration of copper? 2 plus. Copper 2 plus. नहीं copper मतलब copper.
0.5.
0.5. इसको 1/2 लिख देते हैं, ठीक है। 1/2 molar, this 2 molar will go above, है ना, because it is denominator of denominator. E naught cell minus 0.059 divided by 2, and log of this molarity will molarity cancel each other, and log 2 into 2 will be equal to 4. यहाँ तक clear है? Yes or no, please tell me.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. Now what we just need to find E naught cell. Now I hope all of you remember what is the formula for E naught cell. Tell me.
E oxidation plus E reduction.
Very good. E naught oxidation plus E naught of reduction. So whose oxidation is taking place? These are the values that is given to you. Now tell me. Oxidation किसका हो रहा है?
Zn.
Zn. And what is this? Is this oxidation potential given or reduction potential given? What have we given here? Oxidation potential or reduction potential? For zinc.
Reduction potential.
Sara and Wafia, can you see? Can you
Yes,
tell
sir.
by looking? Okay. That means what we have to do, we have to convert this. We have to say that E naught of oxidation will be equal to what? It will be equal to plus 0.76. Clear? Yes or no? Please tell me.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And this is the reduction potential. है ना? Reduction किसका हो रहा है? In this reaction, whose reduction is taking place in the cell? Copper, right?
Copper.
Copper. And this is what they have given the correct reduction potential for copper. So E naught reduction will be equal to how much? Plus.
Minus 0.
हाँ? नहीं 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 नहीं, ये क्या दिया हुआ है फातिमा? रिडक्शन है, तो वही लेना है ना हम लोग को, तो ये रिडक्शन ही चाहिए, राइट? वी नीड द रिडक्शन ओनली, करेक्ट? वाफिया एंड सारा, आर यू गाइस विथ मी? यस और नो? प्लीज टेल मी.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
वाफिया फास्ट हो रहा है क्या? इज इट अ बिट फास्ट?
No, sir.
नो ना? ओके फाइन, दैट मींस आई हैव टू डू अ बिट फास्ट, है ना? ओके बिल्कुल. देखिए सेम लेवल में पढ़ने से क्या फायदा है ना, थोड़ा सा फास्ट होगा, देन यू विल कोप अप, देन इट विल बिकम मोर फास्टर, देन यू विल कोप अप, है ना? कोप अप करने का तो कहीं चांस होना चाहिए. सो E naught oxidation is 0. Related like this, 0.76 and 0.34, right? So plus 0.76 plus E naught reduction is with the sign plus 0.34 and in volts, and this will be equal to 0.76. I will remove the brackets. The 0.34. This will be equal to how much? 1.10. I hope. Yes or no? 1.10, right? Nahin. What happened? Add this. E naught cell will be equal to 1.10
10.
volt. Now we just need to plug in the value that E cell is equal to 1.10 volts minus 0.059 divided by 2 and log of 4. ठीक है, अब ये बताइए log 4 की वैल्यू क्या होगी? Who knows what is the value of log 4?
0.6.
Okay, Sarah remembers. What about Wafia and Fatima? Any idea about log 4?
No.
Acha, do you guys know how to handle logs, Sarah and Wafia?
So I understood log only for integer numbers.
Integer number मतलब
When
1
it
2
comes to-
3 4 ऐसे?
yeah, when it comes to point, it's very confusing.
It's very confusing. Okay. What about Wafia? Do you have any introduction to log?
No, sir.
Nothing about log? Do you
No.
know like acha log देखिए थोड़ा सा history. Now I have a habit of telling you things. If I will write it like this, see, 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. Okay, I can write the same equation. I can write the same equation and I can say that 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. है ना? I can write it also like this. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. Correct? Yes or no? Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right? So if you have whenever you will have an arithmetical operation will be done between two different objects, and between two different terms, and then you will get a third term. Okay, so I have one operation and three different terms, and I have to write, I should be able to write three different equations, right? I should be able to write three different equations. Similarly, for multiplication also you can say 2 3s are 6. So I can write this as, what I can write this as? I can write this as 6 by 3 is equal to 2 and 6 by 2 is equal to 3. All of these are same equations, yes or no? Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, see, but when I write, you must be not knowing this, but the maths mein kya hai na? You have a set of rules now. What is the rule? If you have three different terms and you're using one operation, then there should be three different equations. Now we have to use all of the equations like this. Now, if I have something like this, let us say 10 square, right, which is equal to 100. Now, once the mathematicians, they started saving space, na, math is nothing but you have to just save space and time. 10 into 2 into 10, you don't write it like this, then what do? You save the space and you write 10 square. Okay, math utna kuch bhari cheez nahi hai, just saving time and space. Now I can write root of 100 is equal to 2 is equal to 10, correct?
Yeah.
Is there any other way in which I can express this? Now you know that both of these equations are same, right? But is there any other way in which we can write this same equation? कोई और है? Can you think of anything? यहाँ पे equal to 100 आया, then equal to 10 आया, then at the last equation equal to क्या आना चाहिए बताइए? Equal to, इस equation को देख के बताइए. In the first equation I got equal to 100. The next equation I got equal to 10. Then at the last equation I should get equal to
1.
अरे नहीं, not 1. इसमें देख के बताइए. What are the three terms we are using? What are the three terms? We have 2, we have 3, and we have 6. So in one of the equation, equal to 6 is coming. In another equation, equal to 2 is coming. In another equation, equal to 3 is coming, right? So as you can see, we can write and we can express these three different terms in these three different equations in which you are getting equal to each term. Can you see a relationship? Can you see a pattern? नहीं दिख रहा क्या? ऊपर से जा रहा है बिल्कुल आप लोग के मैथ्स. हाँ, सारा, फातिमा, वाफिया. Yes, Wafia, tell me. Wafia.
Yes, sir.
What should be equal to here then in the third equation?
10 square.
No. Acha. I want to show you something. I will not tell the answer. I will keep asking you unless you get it right. The square root, I can write it like this now, because I think cube root is written like this. 3, right? Yes or no? Cube root is written like this, na? अरे हाँ या ना?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. अब बताइए. What are the different terms in the first equation? What are the different numbers that we have used in order to make the first equation, this equation? इस equation को बनाने के लिए कौन-कौन से numbers use किया है हमने, बताइए?
10 and 10.
10 and 10 नहीं. अच्छा, इस equation को बनाने के लिए कौन-कौन से numbers use किए हमने?
2 and
What are the
2 and
and one more number is there, na? One more number is there, right?
2, 3 and 6.
ठीक है. So we had 3 numbers and 3 equations. How many numbers and how many equations?
3 numbers and 1 equation.
नहीं, 3 numbers and then उसको उसी को represent किया ना 3 different equation में भी.
Yeah.
है ना? So 3, if I have 3 numbers, then I can represent those 3 numbers in 3 different equations. Correct? Yes or no? Please tell me. अब आया? Sara and Wafia, following me? Wafia? Okay, fine.
yes, sir.
ठीक है. Now let us try once again. What are the 3 numbers with which I have made this equation? The first equation, this one. What are those
10,
numbers?
2, and 100.
10, 2 and 100. ठीक है. Very good. Agree? Wafia and Fatima also 10, 2 and 100.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. Now in the first equation I have represented that equal to 100. In the second equation I have represented this as equal to 10. I've manipulated it and it has become equal to 10. Then in the third equation it should be equal to what? It should be equal 2. Pattern आ रहा है समझ में? Yes or no? Please tell me. Can you recognize the pattern here? Fatima, Sara and Wafia, please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
है ना? Never have you have, must have never learned maths like this, है ना? See, then we have to invent now. What we have to do? We have to invent something that is equal to 2 using which numbers? 10 and 100. Clear है? Yes or no? Please tell me. We have to invent, है ना? जैसे हम लोग को यहाँ पे multiplication के time ना division नहीं पता, division क्या होता है. So we invented divisions so that we can represent 2 using 6 and 3. Similarly, here what we will be using? We will be using 10 and 100 in order to represent 2. So what is we have used? We have used log. Now this is an invention. क्या है? It's an invention. Now log has two things. Log has a base and then it is of something like this. So what you can see, what is log? Log is nothing but a different way of representing exponents. So if I write log of base 10 of 100, it is equal to 2. That means 10 to the power of 2 is equal to 100. ये याद रहेगा इतना छोटा सा चीज? Can you tell me now? Will you remember this? Wafia, Fatima, now you tell me, is log a bit clear now? What is log? Yes or no, Fatima and Wafia?
Yes, sir.
है ना? And I hope Sara is having some kind of deja vu. याद आ रही हैं चीजें? Sara?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Okay, so now why we use log? बहुत लंबा हो जाएगा अगर हम log पढ़ाने बैठे तो, ठीक है? But now you have got an idea about log. You are comfortable with log, yes or no, please? Exponents ही है. What is that log? Log is just a different way of representing exponents. Is that clear, Fatima, Wafia?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. I will fetch up the video of log जिसमें हमने log कराया था last, I mean 11th standard के बच्चों को last year. Then I will send that video to you. Okay. And I think I gave some kind of PDF also, right, Sara? जिसमें log के बारे में था.
Yes.
I must have that PDF. Now please write some log values that will be helpful for you. Log and all of the logs, whenever we write, it is of base 10. Okay, whenever we write log, it is of base 10. So log of 1, it will be equal to what? Tell me. 10 to the power something which is equal to 1. Tell me, 10 to the power x is equal to 1. What should be this x? क्या होना चाहिए x? Fatima and Wafia?
0.
Very good. See, log आ गया आप लोगों को. Right? Wafia agree? Wafia, do you agree with this? Okay, fine. उसके बाद आप लोग को नहीं आएगा. This is the only thing that you will know, because if I tell you log of base 10, and what is the log of 10 to the power x is equal to 2? You have to find the x. So you will not remember this. So please write this 0.30. Then you must also know what is the value of log 3. Okay. So please write log 3. It is approximately equal to 0.48 लिख लीजिए, ठीक है? It is 477. Now log 3, it is equal to 0.6.
So base is always 10.
Basis here everywhere is 10. Log of 4 will be equal to 0.6. Log of 5 will be equal to, how much is log 5? Sara, do you remember? नहीं यार सारा को. Log 7. Sorry, log 5 is equal to 0.7. Then write log 6. अच्छा. Now I am trying to do something. Fatima and Wafia, ठीक है? अच्छा. Let us just wait for the azan to complete. You write till here. Log 6 मत लिखिएगा, ठीक है? You will not know what is log 6. Don't write it.
Sir, can we leave the answer over here or we have to further calculate?
No, we have to calculate. Wait. अभी log 6 वगैरह सब कुछ बताना है. Just let the azan complete, then I will start. Okay. Can you hear me? Yes or no? Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Now, log 2 and log 4. Can you see a relationship? Tell me.
Yeah.
See, you can write 4 as 2 into 2. Right? So it is log 2 plus log 2. Log 6 can be written as the addition of 3 plus 2. Okay, it can be written as addition of 3 plus 2. That means it will be equal to how much? 0.78. That means it is what? 2 log 2 plus log 3. Okay, इसको हम बाद में explain करेंगे, but ध्यान में रखिए बस इस. Log 7 will be equal to how much? 0. You can write 84 or 85. Okay, then log 8, and we know log 8 is made up of what? Log 8 is made up of 4 into 2. 8 is made up of 4 into 2. That means I have to do log 4 plus log 2. That will be equal to 0.9. Clear hai? Then we will write log 9. Log 9 is what? 3 into 3. That means 3 plus 3. So 3 plus 3 will be what? How much? Tell me. Log 9. You will write 0.9596 से करीब होता है, ठीक है? 0.95 ही लिखिए लेकिन. And log of 10 will be equal to how much? 1, because 10 to the power 1 is equal to 10. Please write this log values. And this much is enough. Okay. Slowly हम आप लोग को और सिखाते जाएंगे. Done? Yes or no? Please tell me.
Yes.
Okay. So now I can write E cell is equal to 1.10 volts minus 0.059. You can sometimes write this as 0.06. Okay. So this will be equal to how much? 0.03. Na? If I will approximate this as to 0.06, then it will be equal to 0.03 divided by 2. Right. Into log of 4. Log 4 is equal to how much? Log 4 is equal to 0.6. So this will be equal to 1.10 minus 6 3s are 18 and 3 points, so 0.018. Correct. चलिए अब ये बताइए कितना आंसर आ रहा है. This will be in volts. Calculate the answer and tell me. Send in chat. Calculate the answer and send in chat. Yes, Sara, correct. Waiting for Fatima and Wafia. Jaldi भेजिए answer. Done everyone? Yes or no? Please tell me. नहीं फातिमा, ये क्या किया आपने? नो, सब्ट्रैक्ट कीजिए ना, सही से सब्ट्रैक्ट कीजिए। 1.100, 0.1, 0.018। हाँ वाफिया करेक्ट, सब्ट्रैक्ट कीजिए फातिमा सही से। करेक्ट, 1.082 volts. Okay. Now let us do a similar question. Represent the cell in which in which following reaction takes place. What they have given it, they have given Mg solid plus 2Ag plus, it's giving you 0.0001 molar concentration of Ag plus getting converted to Mg2 plus, its concentration is 0.130 molar plus 2 Ag solid. Okay, so this is your reaction and you have to represent the cell. Earlier what we used to do, we used to give you the cell and from there you have to get the reaction, and then you have to also calculate. They have asked further calculate the E cell if E naught cell for this reaction, it is equal to how much? 3.17 volts. Chaliye, write this question. Okay, now first of all, can you identify what is oxidation or whose oxidation is taking place and the reduction couple? Oxidation couple and the reduction couple, tell me. Can you see? Fatima, Sara and Wafia? Say yes or no, na? Can you identify
Yes, sir.
whose oxidation is
Yes,
taking
sir.
place and whose reduction? ठीक है. So you will send, tell me in chat whose oxidation is taking place. Wafia, what about you? आपका आंसर नहीं आया, yes or no? Can
Yes.
you see? Okay. So tell me in chat whose oxidation is taking place. Mg का या Ag का? Tell me in chat. Okay, Fatima. Yes, correct. Sara and Wafia. Very good. So you have identified it. Very good. Very good. Yes, Fatima, correct. है ना? So I hope now you also know what will be in anode and what will be in cathode, right? जिसका oxidation that will be in anode and whose. So you write A, bridge and cathode. So here you will write, and in the bridge you will just add lines here like this. Chalo, please write this down. Show the cell representation and okay, वाफिया के तो नहीं भेज पाएंगे, ठीक है छोड़िए फिर. But whoever can send now, please send to me on WhatsApp. Okay, Fatima and Sara, I hope you guys can send the answer on WhatsApp. You represent the cell and then click a photo and send it to me. ओके, यस और नो कुछ तो बोलिए। हेलो, एम आई ऑडिबल?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, ना मशगूल हो जाते हैं लिखने में बिल्कुल।
So ECL at 25 degrees Celsius only, right?
ECL at 25 degrees Celsius, yes, correct. If they have not given anything, then 25 degrees Celsius, okay. If you get stuck with the log thing, then just leave it there and send it to me over WhatsApp, okay? I will teach you log then. Let me, in the meanwhile, fetch the log lecture. Okay, all of you have written the question, yes or no? Can I stop sharing the screen?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Chapter कौन सा था? I don't even remember the chapter. Chapter must be, it was thermodynamics, I guess, right? Sara? Sara को याद है?
I guess, I'm not sure.
I also think it was thermodynamics.
I think it was equilibrium.
It was equilibrium. Correct. Yeah, it was after thermodynamics, equilibrium में. Okay, 29 Jan. On acid base, right? I think so. Okay. Correct. It was on. Yes, I got this. 29th of Jan, Saturday. Done, guys, all of you? Okay. Log of base 9. Log of base 10. I start with this only. Because I'm not a mathematician. I'm a chemist. So I will have to start from somewhere between. I cannot start. I can start, but I don't start with why do we need logs. Start from addition. So I go from addition to multiplication to exponents. I won't go there. I will start with simple expression that we cannot miss. Start with the definition of log base 10.
So your screen is not sharing.
This was not me who was speaking. So can you hear voice also?
Yeah. Who was speaking?
No, I was just seeing. No, I was not speaking. Actually, I was seeing a recording. Was seeing from where you have to watch the recording for log. Okay. Okay, wait a second. I have got that point. I will share. Copy video URL at current time. Okay, but 2-second back would be fun. So this is for Fatima Wafian. Okay. I think some of you have sent the answer also, no? Okay. So this is for log, okay? Fatima Ansari, why have you written Noor in the group? You were supposed to send that message somewhere else, I think.
No, like it's for you to know that that's my number.
So why you have written Noor? I have saved your number, Fatima. Sorry. Your name is Fatima, na? Why you have written Noor then?
Yeah, sorry.
अच्छा, घर का नाम आपका नूर है. ठीक है, fine. जब got representation में आपने represent किया है, that's fine. 2AG is not needed. So let me share my screen now. This will be 12th A. What about Fatima and Wafia? कुछ बात पड़ी आगे?
So I sent you.
हाँ हाँ. Who's नहीं. Sorry, Sarah and Wafia. Sorry, Fatima. Sarah and Wafia.
Yes, sir.
कुछ किया आपने? आंसर नहीं भेजा आपने?
I'm doing.
Doing. Okay, fine.
So in the cathode, when we multiply it into 2, so will it become 4 Ag plus and then 4 Ag like in the product side?
नहीं. First of all, remove your earphone. Earphone आपका अच्छा नहीं है. Get a new earphone and give bad reviews in Amazon. Sarah, can you repeat whatever you said after plugging out the earphone?
Yes, sir.
हाँ बताइए.
When like in the cathode, we will multiply 2
No. No need of multiplication of 2AG.
So
This will
like
be not
it will be 1 electron. And
Sorry?
then for Ag it will be 1 electron and then in Mg it will be 2 electrons. So once we multiply.
नहीं. देखिए. We write the Nernst equation for what? A chemical reaction, not for a cell, na? Correct? Do we write the Nernst equation for a cell or for a chemical reaction? Tell me, Sarah, tell me. हमने एक point तो लिखाया था आप लोग को. I did write a point. Nernst equation is written only after writing the cell reaction. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this cell representation has nothing to do with the Nernst equation. Okay, what has have to do with the Nernst equation? The reaction has to do with the Nernst equation. So for anode, you will write Mg getting converted to Mg2 plus, and then you can write just for information the concentration here. Okay, molar, and the cathode will be what? You are having Ag plus its concent. Oops, sorry, Mg's concentration is 0.130. My bad. Ag's concentration is 0.00001 molar to Ag solid. Okay.
Why you didn't take the coefficient of Ag?
Because we are not doing a reaction here. Now, this is not an equation, right? These are chemical equations, and equations you have to balance things, but this is just a representation. Okay, that is why we don't write the coefficients here. Okay, this is Mg and this is. Now what you can do?
And
Acha.
sir, in this place, if we don't write the value like 0 point or that, it's okay, right?
If you don't write it, then it should be fine at your level, but still try to write it. Okay, क्योंकि वो तो दिया रहेगा ना, you don't have to calculate it. तो इन सब चीजों में don't get lazy. Okay. Now, the most important thing here is when you will write the Nernst equation, you will write it like this. Okay, someone else sent me answer. E cell will be equal to E naught cell minus 0.059 divided by N, and log of how much? Log will be of what is in the product Mg2 plus. Right, we don't need to write Ag. What we'll do, we'll divide this by Ag plus concentration. Is that right? Yes or no? And you will write a square here because here there is 2. Yadaya, all of you tell me yes or no now.
So what did you do?
What did I do over where?
Like right now, why didn't you write Ag?
Hey, Fatima, आप तो भूल जाती है इतनी जल्दी. You want me to like write it like this, no? Wait a second. I will show you.
Yeah.
ठीक है. But what is this Ag? Silver, na? It is a pure metal.
Yeah.
Correct.
Yes.
So what will happen to this? It will get converted to 1. Similarly, Mg will get converted to 1. Unity. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So we will end up with what? We will end up with just Mg2 plus and Ag plus square. Please remember Ag plus square hoga. Can all of you see now? Yes or no? Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Now what you need to do? What is the N? What is the N here?
2 electrons.
2 electrons. How many of you agree? Sara and Wafia. Wafia, आपकी आवाज ही. Wafia, I can't even hear you. You don't answer anything. कैसे? तो आपकी हिंदी भी नहीं आती. How will it work like this? ऐसे कैसे चलेगा? We say it in English. No, sorry, we say it in Hindi. ऐसे कैसे चलेगा? Wafia? How will it work like this if you don't answer? Okay, I think Wafia is completely stuck. Wafia, are you completely stuck?
No, sir. I have some calculation problems.
Calculation problem?
Yeah.
Okay. Fine. What is the, you know what is the value of N?
Yeah. 2.
2. कैसे निकाला आप लोगों ने? Tell me. How did you calculate this?
2 electrons are given.
2 electrons are given by Mg and 2 electrons are eaten up by Ag. Right? Sara, what about you? Clear hai? About number of electrons? Yes or no? Please tell me. Yes, Sara? (0.059), you can take this as 0.06 divided by 2 into log of what is the concentration of Mg2 plus? Tell me. What is the concentration of Mg2 plus? What is the concentration of
0.130 molar.
0.130 molar? What is the concentration of Ag plus?
0.001 molar.
1 molar, and there will be square here. Correct? Yes or no? Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Right. Now, the most important point that I will teach you in this chapter regarding numericals is that solve the log separately. Solve the log separately. Okay, that means you will solve this part. Itna jo hai na, this part you will solve it separately. How will, what will you write? You will write 0.130 divided by. I can write 0.0001 as how much? 10 to the power minus 4. Yes or no? Square. Is that right? Yes or no? Please tell me. हाँ या ना बोलिए. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Now, next what I can do, I can write this as 0.130 divided by 0. Minus, sorry, 0 to the power minus 8. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Then I can write this as 0.130 into 10 to the power minus 8. Sorry, 10 to the power plus 8. है ना? 10 to the power minus 8, it goes above and it will become 10 to the power plus 8. Okay. Now, you can write this as 0.130. Oh, एक काम कीजिए, you can write this as 13 into 10 to the power 6. Yes or no? Tell me. हाँ या ना? Oh, what happened? Tell me yes or no. Can I write it like that?
Yes, sir.
Log of 13 into 10 to the power 6. Okay. Now we have got this value. Now you
Sir,
write a
each
proper.
questions will come for how many marks?
3 marks. फातिमा, और छोड़ना नहीं है एकदम.
Yes.
समझ में आई बात?
Yes,
It
sir.
is difficult. I know it is difficult because it is maths here. You are not very familiar with log, but you will get familiar with log, है ना? नहीं कीजिएगा कहाँ से चलेगा काम, है ना? 2 सवाल में कितने मार्क्स में आता है, छोड़ सकते हैं या नहीं, हम अभी कैलकुलेट कर लेते हैं सर. ये बकवास हमको एकदम नहीं चाहिए. हम पढ़ा क्यों रहे हैं फिर? बताइए. जो जो कम मार्क्स के आते हैं हम पढ़ाना छोड़ दें फातिमा? टेल मी.
Right.
तो फिर आप पढ़ना क्यों छोड़िएगा? ठीक है. नेवर इवन थिंक ऑफ लीविंग दिस. मेहनत करने का जहां टाइम आया तो वहां छोड़ देंगे. बायो है क्या आपका? बायो है आपका
Yes.
फातिमा? हाँ, तो बायो में फिर मतलब सिर्फ आप लोग को बस ये चाहिए ना कि हम बिस्तर में लेटे रहें, पढ़ के जो याद हो जाए वही आ जाए बस एग्जाम में, पेन ना उठाना पड़े हमें. हाँ, डोंट हैव दिस एटीट्यूड. ओके. नाउ आल्सो रिमेंबर वन थिंग. The best way to crack NEET is what you know, to prepare 1 year for advance. You prepare for 1 year, dil laga ke for advance, and you clear the advance. Just clear the advance, whatever rank, no matter. Just clear the advance once, and then what will happen? That fear of physics and chemistry will be removed, and then take my word, in the next year you will clear the NEET examination. And most people, why they don't clear the NEET examination? Because they have a fear for physics and chemistry and mostly numericals. ठीक है, तो उसका fear एकदम नहीं रखिएगा फातिमा. ठीक है. Now see, I will give you a property of log. And it is not even property of log, it is a property of exponents only. It says that log of a into b is equal to log of a plus log of b. याद रहेगा ये सनो? Please tell me. Log of a into, अच्छा, you in 11th standard you never heard about log? I am just surprised. How have you not heard about log? Equilibrium was the chapter. अच्छा, तो अब तो छोड़ दिए होंगे ना फिर तो equilibrium chapter. Yes or no? हाँ, Fatima and Wafia, did you guys leave this chapter? It was there, right? But did you leave that equilibrium chapter? Or you did equilibrium chapter? Tell me.
Yes, sir. But only some portions, sir.
Some portions only, है ना? तो जो tough portion था उसको हमें छोड़ो, जाने दो, है ना? I will have inorganic chemistry, chemical bonding, periodic properties, है ना? Atomic structure. These are my saviors. They will come and they will save me, right? ऐसे काम नहीं चलेगा. Okay. Log A into B is equal to log A plus log B. Here I will write 3.17 minus 0.03 into. This will become what? This will become log A is equal to how much? Tell me.
Log 13 into log 10 to the
नहीं,
power.
log 13 in plus log 10 to the power 6 है ना, ये हो जाएगा log 13
log
plus
13 plus 10, log 10 to the power 6.
Wafia, got it? Yes or no? Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now there is another property of log. Log A to the power of B is equal to B times log A. Okay, B times log A. So I will write this as 3.17 minus 0.03 into log 13. I will write it like this, log 13 plus this will be equal to how much? 6 log 10. Yes or no? Tell me, is that right? Yes or no? Please tell me. Log A to the power B. That means if you have 10 to the power 6, the 6 will come down. Okay. The 6 will come down. Any problem till here, guys? Any problem till here? Okay, what happened? Now see. Into. Now for log 13, what you can do? There are three different things. There are three different things that you can do. You can either do it like this. Log 12 plus log 14 divided by 2. This will be equal to, this will be approximately equal to log 13. Or what you can do, you can take directly log 12. Don't worry about it. It will be also approximately equal to log 13. Or you can directly take log 14. Okay. Now I will say log 14, if you directly take, it will be very near to log 13. Okay. So whenever you get a prime number, what you do, you just add one number and then you take the log of that. So I will take the log of 14 and not log of 13. Log of 14 will be equal to log of 7 plus 2, right? Yes or no? Please tell me. है ना? Log of 7 plus log of 2. So what is log of 7? You have written in your notebook, what is log of 7?
0.84.
No, log of 7 is 0.84. And then what we need to do? Plus log of 2. It will be equal to how much?
0.3.
0.3. तो ऐड करें कितना आ जाएगा? Add it until log 7 plus log 2.
Sir, why are we adding log 7 and log 2?
You want to learn it? Tell me. जानना है आपको?
Huh?
Oh, you want? Okay, sorry.
1.14.
I will tell you after. Just wait a second. Plus 6 into log 10 will be equal to how much? 1. Log 10 is equal to 1, right? So this will be equal to 6. So you'll write this as 3.17 minus 0.03 into, this will be equal to how much? 7.14. Now just you can calculate, this will be in volts. So Wafia, you do one thing. You calculate this value, then I will explain the log. Okay, why are we doing that? You remember this? Wafia, tell me.
Yes, sir.
Why do we add this? We are doing the same thing. Okay. We are doing the same thing. I will explain you how. But you know that log is what? It is just a different form of exponent. So the rules of exponents will be very similar to the rules of log also. Chaliye, please write this down. Send me the answer in chat. Okay, send me the answer in chat. Correct, Sarah. Very good. Waiting for others. Yes, Wafia, very good. Correct. ओहो फातिमा, फातिमा बहुत ज्यादा हड़बड़ में रहती हैं। फातिमा फिर से कीजिए, गलत हो गया आपका। You must have messed up with the decimal places यहाँ पे। Must have multiplied this by 3, but you must have messed up with the decimal places. Okay. Fatima, do it once again. Then only I will explain the log ना। जल्दी कीजिए। नहीं, जल्दी मत कीजिए, आराम से कीजिए आप। Take your time. Wafia, how much is done in your school? Is Nernst equation over in your school?
Yes, sir.
It is over in your school, Nernst equation?
We are in chemical kinetics, sir.
Oh, you're in chemical kinetics. अच्छा. That means it is of no use, ना? Class में जो भी पढ़ाते हैं, because I don't think you even remember something. या फिर absent है आप school में? Sorry, Wafia, were you absent?
No, sir.
अच्छा, you used to attend.
Yeah.
But it is of no use. The school?
Kind of.
Kind of. Okay. But the other thing is, I mean, the students also have some kind of perception about chemistry. जैसे अभी देखिए, now only Fatima was like, sir कितने marks का आता है?
So I got negative value.
You got negative value now. Very good. Okay, you multiplied this. What was the answer?
0.2142.
Multiply 7.14. And how much did you get? You are saying
0.2142.
ओहो, ये यहाँ पे माइनस, अच्छा ये आप माइनस लेके चल रही होंगी ना भाई? दिस इज नॉट माइनस, सॉरी दिस इज नॉट माइनस. ओके, I was just writing equal to and I just moved somewhere else. 3.17 minus 0.2142. तो कैलकुलेट क्या हो गया? सही तो आना चाहिए आंसर. कैलकुलेट एंड टेल मी. Just need to subtract now. What you will get? You will get 8, you will get 5, then you will get what? 5, and then what you will get? You will get 9, and then you will get 2. Be 2.96 volts. Okay, Fatima?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, what will be the value here? Wafia, tell me. 10 to the power, how much will be equal to 100?
2.
2. Okay. Can I write it like this? Log of 10 into 10 is equal to 2. Tell me yes or no.
Yes.
Okay. So I can write this also as log of 100, right? And also, what is log of 10? Tell me. 10 to the power, how much is equal to 10?
1.
1.
So that means if I do log of 10 plus log of 10, this will be also equal to 2, yes or no?
Yes.
Correct.
Yes, sir.
And that is why. Now you understand why do we have this?
Yeah.
That means this will be equal to log of 10 plus log of 10. This will be equal to log of 100. Okay. And that is why log of A into B, it is equal to log of A plus log of B. Is it clear? Yes or no? Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Fine.
So 1 minute, please.
1 minute. I am not going anywhere. Also, you can write log of A by B will be equal to log of A, and tell me what should be here. Multiplication में addition है, तो division में क्या होगा? If there is multiplication, if I have addition for multiplication, what should be there for division? Tell me. What should be there for division?
Subtraction.
Very good. Subtraction. Log A minus log B. है ना? Similarly, log of A to the power of B, it will be equal to B into log of A. That means B will come here. You can also say it like this. Log of 100 is equal to how much? 10 to the power of 2. This is equal to how much? 2. That means you can say that this is equal to 2 into log 10. And log 10 is what? It is 1. Right? Both of these values will give me how much? This also will give me 2, and this also value will give me 2. Okay? So these are the 3 things that you need to remember. And also I have sent you a lecture now. So please watch that lecture. You will understand more about log. Okay? Done? Yes or no? Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Can I move forward? Yes or no? Can I move forward? Okay, let us do one more question. Let's do one more question. Should I give you this question or not? Let me think about it. Okay, right. Calculate the EMF of following cell. At 25 degrees Celsius. At 25 degrees Celsius. Ag solid getting converted to Ag plus The concentration is 10 to the power minus 3 molar. There is a salt bridge, and then you have copper 2 plus. It is having a concentration of 10 to the power minus 1 molar, getting converted to copper solid. Okay, it is given the E naught of cell is equal to 0.46 volts, and they have also given one more thing. अच्छा चलिए इतना ही में कैलकुलेट कीजिए. I don't think you need the other information. You have the cell. From the cell you can write the reaction. From the reaction you can write the Nernst equation. From the Nernst equation you can calculate the answer. Please write it cleanly, everything. Okay, please write everything cleanly.
So electrons in this reaction is 1 electron.
No, you have wrote the anode और cathode है कि नहीं ये बताइए पहले. You have, did you write anode and cathode?
Yes.
Okay, so how did you balance the electron then?
Oh, okay.
See? Let me know if you get stuck, okay? Even if you are a little bit stuck, even if you are a little bit confused, just ask it out, okay? Don't wait for a long time. Did all of you get this reaction as the complete chemical reaction, the cell reaction? 2Ag plus Cu2 plus is giving you 2Ag plus Cu. Fatima, Sara, and Wafia. Did you get complete cell reaction as this one? Yes or no? Please tell me. Yes. Okay.
Yes,
Sara
sir.
has got. Yes. Okay. Wafia also got the same thing.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Fine. Fatima, what about you?
Sir, I made a silly mistake.
So, what mistake did you make?
Instead, like in the reaction, like after the reaction, instead of 2Ag, I just wrote Ag.
Instead of 2Ag plus, you wrote 8. नहीं ऐसा नहीं होगा ना. I hope you wrote it like this, all of you, na? Anode, Ag giving Ag plus electron, then cathode, Cu2 plus 2 electron, giving you copper. Then I have to balance the electrons. So I have to add 2 here, 2 here, and 2 here. So it will be 2 electron and 2 electron will get cancelled. Okay, Sarah has got an answer. Oh, Sarah. Maybe let us see. No. No, Sarah. Not that high. What is the value of n, Sarah? What is the value of n, Sarah? 2. Okay, fine. And you must have got something like this, Ag2 plus, so it will be inside the log. Did you get this? Yes or no? Inside the log, Sarah? You got this. Okay, fine. So this will be equal to how much? -5, right? Because log 10 will be equal to because log 10 will be equal to that. Okay, fine. -5 3s are 15. So कितना आ जाएगा आंसर? हाँ सारा, 6 5 11 का 1 0.61. Yes or no? Sarah, what happened? Fatima and Wafia stuck. Tell me.
Sir, the log part.
Log part. Log के लिए मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी. I subtracted it. तो माइनस में आ जाता, फिर तो आपका आंसर -5 था तो प्लस हो जाएगा ना. ठीक है. This is the log part. Fatima and Wafia, yes or no? Please tell me.
Yes.
So this -5 will come in front. It will become -5 into log 10. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
What is the value of log 10?
1.
1.
So this will be equal to -5. So -5 लिख दिया हमने directly. Easy.
Yeah.
Yes.
चलिए. So see, did you submit any assignment? Fatima, Sarah, and Wafia. Let me see. Assignments. Okay. So yes, tell me. Did you submit any assignment? No, na. Fatima, Wafia, and Sarah. आवाज ही नहीं निकलती है बिल्कुल. हाँ. नो सर. क्यों? क्या हो रहा है? बहुत ज्यादा पढ़ाई हो रही है क्या स्कूल में? सारा. See, I will not give you any other questions. Okay, I will not. So, what should I do? Okay, I will give you only one question जो हम यहाँ पे दे दे रहे हैं, and you will send it to me. Okay. Question is calculate EMF of the following cell at 25 degrees Celsius. Fe solid getting converted to Fe 2 positive. Okay. It is having 0.001 molar concentration. There is a bridge, then we have H plus, and the concentration of H plus is 0.01 molar. Okay. Giving you H2 gas, and the pressure of H2 gas is 1 bar. Okay. And then we have the platinum solid, that is the inert electrode. So I hope from this you can easily write the chemical equation, the complete chemical equation from anode and cathode, because I have told you how to do it. है ना? क्या-क्या चीज ignore करना है, and then how you have to write the chemical equation. And then it has been also given E naught cell is equal to 0.44 volts. 0.44 volts you have to calculate the EMF. बस हो गया. This is the homework that you will do. And the another thing that you have to do is to get comfortable with log. How will you get comfortable with log? You will do the following question. Question is calculate following. A part log of 28, B part log of, let us say how much, 18, C part log of 1.8, D part log of 5.4, E part log of 1.6, F part log of 6.4. Okay, so this is your homework, and you will make a PDF and send it to me on WhatsApp. Okay, and आप उसके बाद upload कीजिएगा. Your deadline is Friday this week. ठीक है, हो जाएगा all of you? Yes or no? Tell me. Fatima, Sarah, and Wafia.
Yes, sir.
Now I have your number, so I can directly message you also. Okay. Wafia, is your dad at home now?
No, sir. He didn't.
No.
No.
Fine. So when he comes now, then please ask him or ask him for his phone, and then see whether you have been added to a group or not. And then if you have been added, just write your name and send it on the chat. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Sure. Fine. Any doubt about this class? Yes or no? Please tell me.